Hi, welcome to MA 207 course, heat equation. In this video, we are going to discuss about heat equation. Um, the heat equation is known as U differentiation with respect to T is equal to K square U double derivative with respect to X. Okay. Uh, the for this boundary conditions, we are going to discuss the solution for heat equation. Okay. This boundary conditions is known as Dirichlet boundary conditions. Okay. Let's see the boundary conditions at x is equal to 0 for all values of t, it is 0. For x is equal to 11 l, for all values of t, then it is 0. And for if we substitute t is equal to 0, we'll get f of x. Okay. And the formal solution for this differential equation is e of x comma t is sigma that sigma alpha n exponential function in t and a sine function in x. Okay, where alpha is the Fourier series coefficients of f of x. Okay, we can find alpha n from this. Okay. Let's look at an example. F of x is equal to here x into x square minus 3lx plus 2l square, and this is the heat equation and two boundary conditions standard. And the third boundary condition is at t is equal to 0. U of x is f of x. Okay, we can write a Fourier series for this f of x as given below, and we can find the u of x comma t by given formula alpha n. Here alpha n is this coefficient and exponential term and the sine term. Okay, and second type of boundary conditions are known as Newman boundary conditions. Here the boundary condition is given at u the partial derivative with respect to x. Okay, here only difference in solution is here we get cos term, and we can find alpha n same using the Fourier series of f. Okay, example, in this f of x is given as x. Okay, we can find Fourier cosine expansion of f of x, that is L by 2 minus the given summation. Therefore u of x comma t is given as alpha n into exponential function into cosine function. What if ut minus k square u x dash square double dash square is equal to a function that is non-homogeneous heat equation? If it is given, how to calculate that? We take a substitution, that is z of x comma t is given as in terms of u comma t, and here in the boundary conditions there are these two are not zeros, so we substitute this so that we can find z x comma t, and there afterwards we can find u x comma t. Okay, clearly if the transformation causes this type of transformation, let's solve for z and then we can find u. Let's look at an example. Here ut minus uxx is equal to e power t. Okay, here luckily we got they're given 0 comma 0, otherwise we have to substitute a z. Okay, first we are going to look at the Fourier series for this Fourier sine series for this e power t. Okay, we get this, and we can find Fourier series for this. Okay, afterwards if you substitute um, use the substitution as u of x comma t is a sine type of function, then we will get this formula is equal to, here we got the Fourier series of the e power t. Okay, next if we equate on both sides, we will get this, and the un of t is given here. If you keep the if you substitute the third boundary condition here, that is if you keep t is equal to 0, we need to get x into x minus 1, then afterwards we will get u of t, un of t. Okay, This is the solution for the above differential equation, non-homogeneous heat equation. Similarly, we can find with the Newman boundary conditions also non-homogeneous heat equation. Only difference here is Z x comma t. Here we can substitute like this. Then these conditions will transform like this, and we can use the same procedure as above example, and we can find the solution for non-homogeneous heat equation.